Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. I'm sorry I've been a little MIA this week. I'm fighting a losing battle with a migraine. It's been awful. I was hoping to have some Valentine's Day craft videos up for you guys, but I'm really sorry. I just barely been able to function, let alone craft. But I do have an Easter Dollar Tree preview for you guys of some really cool stuff that is coming to the Dollar Tree for Easter. Yep, not even Valentine's Day yet, but what can you do? And as you say, and as you know, you gotta buy it when you see it because it's gonna sell out. So I hope you like this little Easter preview. Please comment down below and let me know what items you're hoping to find in your local Dollar Tree. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. And give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It would really help out my channel a lot. I really appreciate you guys. Tomorrow my drawing for the 200 subscriber giveaway closes, and I will be drawing a winner and posting that video, so keep an eye out for that. And we are only 76 subscribers away from 300, which I will be doing another giveaway. I think I'm actually going to be doing a makeup giveaway with a little mini caboodle with makeup goodies. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And also, if you feel inclined to share, please share so we can get to 300 so I can do another giveaway. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will hopefully see you guys next week. So from Valentine's Day crafting videos. Thanks.